We're in the lovely Negril, Jamaica. Can we start over? Hi guys, welcome to Organized Chaos. I'm Sapphire Star. Welcome to my world. Today we're shooting live from the beautiful 7 Mile Beach in Negril, Jamaica. Today I want to share with you some of my top 5 tips when looking for the perfect water bottle for your next vacation. I travel a lot, obviously you can tell from my videos, so I travel frequently. So if you're anything like me, you would appreciate finding a really good water bottle. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Contigo water bottle. And off the top, what I absolutely love about this water bottle is that it's insulated. It keeps your liquids hot or cold for up to 24 hours. Another tip when looking for the perfect water bottle is, the volume. Some water bottles are 8, some are 16, but I find the 24 ounce to be the perfect amount when traveling and enough to keep me hydrated throughout my vacation. Another tip for finding the perfect water bottle is one that you can actually add ice to. So even though this is insulated, you still want to, I like ice water. So one thing about this bottle, once I add ice to it, it stays cold throughout the day and it doesn't melt. So I do love this feature that I can actually add ice if I want to the water bottle. Another tip is finding one that's the portability of it. So what I love about this bottle here is that you have this nifty little hook here where you can hook onto your travel bag or to the side. If you have a crossbody bag, you can hook to the side. You don't have to worry about carrying it all day, but you can also keep up with your water bottle while you're on vacation. Another cool feature of the Contigo 24-ounce water bottle is you have a lock here for your water spout, and also you have a cover here to keep your liquids protected from the outside elements so you don't get crap or trash inside your water bottle. If you leave it, you have your bottle is protected for the most part. Another great feature of this bottle is extremely affordable. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. My hair wasn't sticking up, I didn't check.